So they give us the cosecant of A, and it's negative 11 over 2. They tell us it's in quadrant 4, and they want us to find the cotangent of A in simplest radical form. If the cosecant of the angle is negative 11 over 2, then we know that the sine is negative 2 over 11. So 2 would be the opposite, which would be the negative, because the hypotenuse is always positive. Everybody get that? I'm gonna need, if I'm finding the cotangent, the tangent of A is opposite over adjacent, so the cotangent of A is adjacent over opposite, okay? I don't know the adjacent. Here's the adjacent right here. So I have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find it. So I have A squared plus negative 2 squared equals 11 squared. So A squared equals 121 minus 4. A squared equals 117?
Yeah.
So the square root of 117 I know is divisible by 3. How do I know that? When I take 117 and divide it by 3, I get 3, carry the 2, and 9. Got it? And 39 is divisible by 3. It's 3 times 13. Because 3 plus 9 is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. You got that?
Awesome.
So now I can, instead of root 17, this side here is going to be, since there's 2 3's, I can pull out 1 3 and root 13. So that is a positive. So the cotangent is going to be 3 root 13 over negative 2. So the way you're going to write it is negative 3 root 13 over 2. So this one says that the sine of A is negative root 119 over 12. And it's in quadrant 3. Everybody with me?
Yep.
What is 144 minus 119? It's 25. So A equals 5. Opposite is negative root 119. And the hypotenuse is 12. Because we did A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And A equals the square root of 25. Any questions on that?
No.
So the hypotenuse is what?
12 over 5.
And the adjacent is 5. Is that 5 negative or positive?
Positive.
When I go left on the x, it's a negative. Do you understand that? So it's going to be a negative 12/5. Now, how else can you figure that out?
Oh.
All students take calculus. So tangent is the only positive, so you know secant has to be negative. Tangent and cotangent would be positive.